Welcome to Zippy, the most comprehensive software solution to connect doctors to their patients using a HIPAA-compliant, high-definition video platform. Zippy is focused on bringing quality healthcare with a patient-centered experience. We believe that healthcare should be personalized and easy to access where different segments of the healthcare market cater to the needs of our patients. We at Zippy are committed to providing quality-driven and patient-centered healthcare in a cost-effective manner. Zippy addresses the lack of access that prevents patients from seeing their doctors. This leads to lack of continuity of care and higher costs like ER visits. Besides connecting physicians and patients to optimize health, we understand that there is a lack of reliable in-home data to manage chronic conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart failure, to name a few. Zippy connects these patients with chronic medical conditions to their medical practices by transmitting information like heart rate, oxygen levels, blood pressure, blood sugars, and patient weight. This allows for the medical practice to know if their patient needs better management of their medical condition in real time and not 6 months later at an office appointment. Zippy is free to register. It is platform agnostic, which means it can be accessed on any mobile device or tablet via the app interface or on the web using any browser such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Zippy also supports regular telephone calling, text messaging, and email. Zippy can be accessed with Touch ID. We can also integrate with existing electronic medical records. Zippy is founded by doctors and engineers with real-life medical and product development experience. It mimics clinical workflow, allowing physicians to build virtual medical practices by scheduling availability, collecting insurance and payment information, and documenting a medical note. Medical practices can build networks, so if a patient's physician is not available, then the patient will be shown the schedule and availability of a partner of the patient's physician. Medical offices can also use customizable patient forms and templates for patients to collect information. Zippy's workflow allows physician assistants or nurse practitioners to route their clinical encounters to the appropriate physicians for review and needed documentation. The medical record structure allows for all visits and medical information to be cataloged for easy viewing and review. Now with Zippy, when a patient needs to see their doctor, they can simply log in and make an appointment with their doctor. The doctor can have a HIPAA-compliant, high-definition video encounter with the patient and simultaneously document in the medical record. If the doctor decides that further information is needed, a medic or nurse can be activated who can go to the patient's location to collect data like vital signs, perform tests like strep or flu, and assist the doctor with examination using remote testing equipment such as a stethoscope and otoscope. Zippy also has the capacity to send radiology technicians to the patient's location to perform tests like x-rays or ultrasound. All field personnel such as medics, nurses, or radiology technicians are tracked using geolocation technology, thus making it easy and efficient. Once the doctor has evaluated the patient, assessment and plan can be documented along with the ICD-10 codes, and an e-prescription can be sent to the patient's pharmacy. We understand that to improve outcomes for chronic diseases like diabetes, heart failure, high blood pressure, and emphysema, a patient may need to be monitored at home. Zippy interfaces with many medical devices to collect patient data and alert the medical practices about their patient's conditions. When a patient uses any device wirelessly connected to the Zippy platform, data like heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen levels, blood sugar, or weight are automatically uploaded into the Zippy database where an individualized and customizable algorithm monitors all information. It can generate a notification for the medical team if any of the values are outside of the parameters which are set by the patient's doctor. This allows the medical team to intervene early before a patient's condition deteriorates, making it necessary for an ER visit or hospitalization. We at Zippy aim to enhance the reach of the doctor and medical team by improving access for patients in need of medical care and advice. Zippy also creates a venue to monitor patients with chronic conditions with the goal to improve population health and outcomes, which will decrease healthcare costs. We are focused on quality-driven and patient-centered care in a cost-effective manner and look forward to serving your healthcare needs at Zippy. Please contact us at zippycare.com.